Coming up on Cooking with Adam, we'll be making creamy shrimp tagliatelle with heirloom tomatoes, garlic, and chili. Stay tuned. Guys, just before we start, a few things. First up, if you need the recipe guide, no problem. It's in the link in the description. Just click on the link and you can follow along with the video. Next up, if you want to try HelloFresh, there is a link in the description for a special deal on that. And finally, there is the link for the cooking tools and utensils that I use for tonight's meal. If you need anything, it's in that link. Also, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And if you like this video, please smash that like button. With that said, let's get it. Ladies and gents, here are the ingredients we are working with tonight. First up, 2 cloves of garlic. Then we have 2 scallions. We have Thai chili. You can see it. We have 10 ounces of heirloom grapes. We have 1 lemon. We have 10 ounces of shrimp. She mentioned it's wild, not farmed. We have 9 ounces of tagliatelle pasta. And finally, 4 tablespoons of sour cream. As always, we'll need a few things to cook tonight's meal. A medium-sized pan, medium-sized pot, strainer, 6 bowls to slice and dice and cut things, salt and pepper, measuring cup, measuring spoon if you want to be accurate. If you want to just wing it, you can do that as well. Some butter, and as always, some olive oil. We're going to bring about 3 cups of water to boil. There we go. Put a pinch of salt, and we're good to go. Alright, here's what we're doing for tonight's meal. We're going to thinly slice the greens and the whites of the scallions, keeping them separate. We're going to cut the tomatoes in half. We're going to cut the lemon in wedges. We're going to mince the chili, and we're going to mince the garlic. Easy peasy. Before we get started, if you are using chili pepper and you don't want it as hot as it usually is, you can try and take out the ribs and the seeds like I did. Just make sure you wash your hands and the blade when you're done, or it's going to contaminate the next thing you cut. Onto the shrimp. It took me about 20 minutes to clean these, but they left the digestive system in, and I had to manually clean each one of them. I don't know if the camera's going to show it on both sides. So just make sure you check. You don't want to eat that, despite what some previous commenters have suggested that is okay, but I assure you it's not. Alright, you want to dry out some of the water on the shrimp. So lay down a piece of paper towel. Go and just cover and wipe. It'll draw a good amount of it. And now we're going to cook the shrimp. With the water now boiling, we're going to add the pasta to the water. It's best to add them one by one to prevent sticking. So I will do that, and we're going to boil the pasta for about 5 minutes. And a lot of them are sticking, ironically. Brother. Here's what it is. Make sure they're all in, submerge in the water. Take your wooden spoon, put them all nice and saturated. There we go. 5 minutes. We're going to start off with cooking, or adding a little olive oil. Let that get all nice and spread. There we go. Add the scallion whites. Garlic. I'm going to cook this for about 30 seconds. Don't forget the chili. A little of that in there. I'm going to add the shrimp for about 2 minutes. You want to toss every so often. We're now going to add some salt, some pepper, and tomatoes. And we're going to cook for another 3 minutes. So the pasta is now ready. As you can see, we're going to reserve 1/4 cup of the water and strain the pasta because it's going into the pan in about 1.5 minutes. Alright, so we're good for the next step. Pinch of salt and pepper. And now we're going to add the pasta. Mix that together. And now we're going to also add, once combined, 2 tablespoons of butter. I like this one. One. Oops, there's 2. I'm going to toss and combine. Then we're ready for the last step. The last step is we're going to add sour cream, a little lime, and some water to make a nice consistency. You want to cut the heat and add the final ingredients. There's 1. There's 2. Mix this together. Whoops. Lost the tomato there. We're covered. Add some water from the pasta. A 1/4 cup. And a squeeze of lemon, sorry about that. Mix together. Make sure all the sour cream is mixed in. go. A little salt and pepper. And we're going to try it. If it's good to go, ready to plate the dishes. Pepper. Some salt. Mix again. Let's try some. Oops. That's very good. Alright, ready to plate the dishes. Alright, so here we go. Pretty simple. Give it another little turn. And plate the dish. I think it's a good one there, but let's try this one. Go. Obviously, if you want it more watery, you could always add more water, but I don't like it that soupy. So that's why I didn't add more water. So there we go. Some scallions. Here's tonight's meal. Stay tuned for a great meal. Very tasty, filling. If you like shrimp and pasta, this is the meal for you. The only issue would be with the cleaning of the shrimp, which it's hit or miss. Sometimes you have to, sometimes you don't. It's always best to look to make sure everything was cleaned out prior, so it's not that big of a deal. Yeah, it was a great meal. So definitely recommend it. Would make it again. If you guys like this video, please smash that like button. If you've not subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. Till next time, keep cooking.